Good evening. Tonight we are going to be creating this IVAR storage cabinet with a lock from IKEA. First thing you need to do is identify these pieces. So there's like a long rail piece, or two of these. Let's see if I can get this one off, because they slot into place basically. So that, you need that to go into this square at the bottom. And then you can see these holes go into these holes. And these gussets are here. So you'll find a corresponding piece, because they're a pair. The instructions state that as well. So one end is like that. And then the other end is like that. So you literally slot them into these little stirrups. You have your two tacks in, and you just push it down. And then those circles meet those circles. That's basically the base shape of it. As you can see, the instructions are here. You'll get the keys and the screw components to keep everything together. So next you're on a 3 and 4 stage, so as you can see on the diagram, for 3 you need 2 of these pieces with the holes in it. As you can see, with a hole in, you should pop it in. Can you see that? That then correlates to that perfectly. Make sure that this is like these holes are sitting on each other for fastening, and then you're just literally for sturdiness. Hold that into the groove so it locks in place. So that should lock in place. I'll try that in a minute and show you what it looks like. So like this. And that match up. Use this screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and then from, again, IKEA's fixer set, push that through. Here we are. We have bent this back into here for interlocking. And these will do the same tops for the next layer. That's better. So you push these little gusset things in to lock in. Yeah, interlock to hold this in place, so that it doesn't come out of place. Then we add the next backing panel. Nearly there. The last remaining components. Okay, this is in brief basically what you need to know, but look at your instructions for reference. This locking mechanism here, you need that square window box side to be facing you. You put the pole on top so like it comes apart like that, and you sit that on top like that. What you want to do is make sure this goes through the hole at the top. It goes through the hole. I'll edit that up and you'll see it go through the hole. So that's one part there anyway. The second part is you've got 2 sets of like metal bits. You've got this like number 7 piece, and there's 4 of the number 7 pieces. You can't really see them. They hold this in place underneath. So like underneath you put, so just think of the number 7. So you've got 7, 7, 7, 7 pull times underneath, and then you've got a flat secure piece that's indicated in the set that holds it in place. So if you try to lift the shelf out, it's held in place. So as you can see, there's a screw here, and that just means the door sits on that screw, and then you've got this L shape sort of Allen key thing. And as long as you push the L shape up into this hole, it corresponds and sits in there. So that's what happens. But you just put it back in. So I'll put it back in and I'll put this part in as well. So this part, as I said before, the square window bit goes up in here. So let's do this. And the key's in there. So that's one part. Then this universal L-shaped thing goes up. And then that comes through here. And then that goes into that hole there. So just a minute. Alright, that was surprisingly easy. It's all done. And this acts as a reinforcement. Once you put that metal bit in it, it becomes less flimsy. I think there's a piece that goes at the top as well. Probably more magnetic pieces. So that goes into that, that goes into that, and then it gives it a really secure ending. It looks actually quite nice. It's really nice.